I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you.
You know this?
Yes, of course I know this.
This is not ChatGPT. This is from the heart. You know, I'm giving it to you.
Oh, that's so cute of you, sweetie. Do you have what's wrong with your hand?
May I go to the toilet, please?
Is there some food you cannot eat?
አንዳንድ ሰዎች የማይስማማቸው ምግብ አለኩ የማይስማማቸው ምግብ አለ አንድ አለርጂ
the one that comes on the
no እሱ ማለት አይደለም
No, what I wanted to tell you is if you have a fish allergy
I don't have any allergic here.
No, honey.
You see allergic any?
No, I'm just taking care of you. I just want to take care of you. Is there something you can't eat?
I'm not sick. I'm okay.
No, I just wanted to ask you because sometimes
እንግሊዘኛ ፊልም ላይ እንደዚህ ይፈትን ነበር
it's a problem.
ለይሶ ይስቀስ ብሎ ቢያወራ
I feel like we have a connection. It's like
slowly when you talk I understand, okay?
When you wrote the messages, it's like you're a soulmate for me. You know, I have the feeling that we really know each other very well.
Message ChatGPT helping every time.
እኔ ተዋደድና እኮ መስሎ ChatGPT
You know ChatGPT, right?
በመና ባቲ እንግሊዘኛ ልበለው ቆረጠኝ ፈለጠኝ እንደሚለው እኮ ነው የጠፋብኝ